We'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable, as a poor connection can cause issues with ChatGPT. If your connection is fine, you should clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies, then confirm. After doing this, refresh the ChatGPT page and see if the problem persists. If it's still not working, try accessing ChatGPT in an incognito or private browsing window. This can help bypass any extensions or settings in your regular browser that might be causing conflicts. If the issue continues, consider updating your browser to the latest version, as outdated browsers can sometimes have compatibility problems with websites. Finally, if none of these steps work, check the ChatGPT status page or official forums for any reported outages or ongoing issues. Sometimes the problem might be on their end, and staying informed can save you time troubleshooting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.